Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can put Google Maps into walking mode, so let's get right into it. Now, Google Maps walking mode is available on the mobile if you're looking for navigation while you're walking. However, there is a way to do so on PC as well to pretty much just show the best routes for walking, which do differ from the driving routes in certain aspects. So let me show you how that is done. Now, on the PC, you just need to get some directions. So, for example, the intersection of 6th Avenue and West 27th. Just go here, click directions from here, and then just click wherever to see the directions for that to get your final destination. And now, as you can see, this is for driving. Now, to turn it into walking mode, in the top left, you just need to select walking, and that is going to show you the closest possible way for walking towards your destination. In this case, I'm pretty sure it's the Empire State Building, and that is pretty much it. You can drag your destination again if you want to change the route, and yeah, that is pretty much it. Now, on mobile, it is available for of course, navigation. And on mobile, what you need to do is you just need to have your location turned on so that you can access navigation. Tap on the area or the location that you want to get to. And once you select that as the destination, you can tap either directions or start. If you tap on directions, it will give you directions, and you can tap or click on the walking icon again, and then you can click start, which will give you the directions and navigation for walking towards there. And that is pretty much it. It'll show you the exact same route, the best possible route for walking, and any alternatives. And that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.